in the beginning of Brawl Stars, there was like 20 brawlers, maybe 30. Now there's 100 brawlers.
Begins.
And I have maxed them out, and now I need to buy gadgets. So I only know the gadgets good and the star power, and I don't have a gem. I mean, not a gem. I have a gem. What? No, I need coins. And so I'm playing serious.
Shadows and total domination.
Level 11. And while I play, I'm gonna have no tall. Okay. Let's go. Another serious.
Lights, shadows, and total domination.
I could have got Meg instead of Spike on credits. But how? If you're wondering how I got serious, I got him from credits. It was really hard. Not gonna die. No, I'm looking at 4 HP. Oh yeah, I didn't know this pin was rare, like this flip phone. Not a flip phone, like a Galaxy flip phone. Yeah. And all.
Shadows and total domination.
I'm not gonna use the gadget already. I just sent him.
The circus of shadows begins.
I'm gonna spawn. I'm super in the chat.
Victory!
I know, I'm so good. I only got 1 kill. I literally thought I got way more.
Even my
I like Sirius's intro thing. I'm gonna play more matches. I'm gonna take a break and eat my food. Oh, okay. I'm done pushing Sirius. Not for now. There's gonna be a part soon. And this video is while I'm doing this editing. So
a star is born.
new season and all.
Another arena, another contest.
Sirius got new.
Your pain will be my pleasure. Goal!
I'm not like trying to speed run it.
Time to steal the spotlight. Victory!
Because like
This is my circus.
my shorts like got like 0 views, and I had to like one video got like 2 views. That was a Siren leaf. I see how people
Step right up
play
to
Roblox.
your doom.
Right, this CapCut template I use. That's not about Roblox. I'm not allowed to play. I don't want to play.
Time to steal the spotlight.
I don't really
Try
care.
that.
That would be bad. While I'm
Victory!
the new Brawl Pass season is absolutely fire. And can you hear my dogs barking? Yes. So chicka chang.
Subscribe.
Okay, so here's day 2. Pushing Sirius, we have a Power Rush. Power Rushes are, like, how do you say it? Like, I don't know. But, I think every game you win, you get 200 power points. Yeah. Ooh, shade, okay. And while you're also watching this, I have a second Prestige Jaeger. Prestige 1. Just because he's a brawler to Prestige.
Spotlight never fades.
Maybe for day 3 or maybe for the next video, I might say that. I might do knockout. All right. Alright, Agar. Alright, Alright, I'm back. What's that Mythic Brother?
Your pain. What? A star is born.
BB. But also, I'm trying to make it like be more energetic. That works.
Fools, I am inevitable.
Okay.
Step right up to your doom.
Okay. I'm trying to be rude to them.
Fools, I am
Oh, I should have
inevitable.
done super. Probably wanna make it anyways.
Such audacity from a mere
I
cloud.
might do more art videos.
Was that your
Any more video ideas? No. Agar is so annoying.
for my resurrection? Time to steal the spotlight. Fabulous. Every clown gets a freak. Your existence.
Probably got like 14 deaths. 3 kills.
Over clowns.
Oh, it's gonna go overtime.
My circus has plenty of space for everyone.
I think we should do something more.
Release the shadow! Victory!
Well, that was a long match. Yeah.
The star is born.
Ooh, him to bronze. Alright, let's go. Could we do one more match? Yeah.
Time to steal the spot.
And
Was that was part of the show.
alright. And if you're wondering, well, probably no one ever wonders what I use because how bad
Is
editing
my
my videos
finest weapon.
I use InShot. I use CapCut. It has some dark
Oh,
here. You can get rid of
the
spike.
cycle of pain.
this. Yeah, it's not an old ad, but I wanna go try it
Your
out.
life.
It's alright. It's not really the best for me. Yeah, I didn't know this pin was rare. I got it. From the Meta box, you get like this trophy, like singing, like whistling,
Fear
and you can get this other
is
one.
my finest weapon.
What was
Don't worry,
it? I
I'll
think.
make you join me. Welcome to the shadow.
Wasn't a Subway Surfer? No. That's how I got that pin. The flip phones.
I am
Yeah, a lot of content
inevitable.
creators use that one. I did not know it's rare. There's an other thing.
Such audacity from a mere clown.
Like the rare Spike misses it. He would have missed it.
You'll see a star.
Yeah, I had to die like 14 times already.
Who ordered the boss?
Yeah.
Fear is my finest weapon. Your act.
If you're wondering about my times I like post videos, I post like videos
Spotlight never fades.
probably like monthly. Well, I think this we're gonna leave off for today. Or we could do stuff more. Well, here we go. Hit that subscribe button. And always remember, gotta go. Bye.